Okay, so I actually lost the remote control for my Insignia TV, but what I have from Xfinity, they gave me a programmable remote. And now what I'm trying to do to pair it with this TV, I've never done it before, but let's see if it works. So it reads on the manual we should push the Xfinity button and the mute button, and then the red light should become a green light. Once it's green, they say the most likely code would be 12049, 12049. Now I'm not sure what's happening. Let's just see. Oh, that is, wow, that's good. You see, so I can actually already do this. So the sound. Let's just see TV input. Wow. So I usually don't do it with a good shout out. I got that for free from Xfinity. Well, you have to be an Xfinity customer, but they helped me out with that. So that's, I have to say, a good customer service. It's pretty easy, and this remote, it's called the XR15 remote control. And if you Google that, it will tell you how to pair it. So it actually just really reads. While the TV is on, press and hold the Xfinity and Mute button. So it's the Xfinity button and the Mute button. You have to hold it together. Then you need to wait until this light here, which is now off, changes from red to green. And then they said you have to punch in the code 12049, which they said most likely works. There are other codes for Insignia, like the 12049. Another code would be the 11780, 14487, 11641, and so on. I'll put these codes in the description below the video. For me, the 12049 worked. I have to say that is really awesome because as I said, I lost the remote control and the TV was just like $99. So buying a remote for that would have been way too expensive. That's really an easy thing and it works perfectly. So yeah, shout out to Xfinity. Good product, good description, and as a customer you get it actually for free if you ask them nicely.